Hey guys, this is Lil P-Rod, Zombie Killer 920. Just got some bumpers in from the mail. Oh, the one's broken, but it's okay. I probably won't even use this. Just got them in the mail, as I was saying. Black on red. Pretty psyched for it. I still got some more to come. Black and pink. Yeah, well, let's get unboxing these. Here it is. It's a shiny pink. Right here. Let's see if this works. So I'm in my bathroom. Shiny red. No, that. And yeah, this one's just orange. I'll be making some more if you guys want to see some more. Like the video if you can. Alright. Well, Lil P-Rod. Goodbye.